Hello data detectives. Are you on the hunt for specific information in your Google Sheets? VLOOKUP is your trusty tool for this mission. In today's tutorial, we'll uncover how to use VLOOKUP to find data in a table range. Let's get searching. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. Navigate to the Google Sheets document where you want to perform the VLOOKUP. Step 2. Identify your search key and range. Determine the value you want to search for, the search key, and the range where the data is located. Step 3. Set up your VLOOKUP formula in the cell where you want the result to appear. Type equals VLOOKUP, followed by your search key, the range of the table, the column index number of the data you want to retrieve, and whether you want an exact or approximate match, true or false. Step 4. Execute and review. Press Enter to execute the formula. The cell will display the data found by VLOOKUP based on your search key, and that's how you become a pro at VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. If this guide helped you find what you were looking for, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more data discovery tips.